Hello guys, let's make bread together. So I'll be using Tesco bread mix which contain everything you need to make your bread, and I'll be adding Tesco butter, and inside this bread making bucket there is water already. Let me show you my brand new bread making machine. If you guys remembered, I influenced for a brand that sells bread slicing knife and also another brand that sells bread slicing tray. So today I'll be making homemade bread. This is 2025. If you are still buying bread, you are wrong. Come here, come closer. Let me teach you how to make your bread at home. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding butter to taste. So first of all, I'll cut the butter and put inside this bread maker. Now that the butter is with the water, I'll put it inside the bread maker for some minutes while I mix the bread mix. I waited for a few seconds for the butter to blend with the water before pouring in my bread mix. Now is the time to mix the bread mix with the butter and the water that was already inside the bread making machine. So I pour the bread mix. All you need is already inside this mix: your yeast, your sugar, your salt, your powder. Everything is already inside this bread mix. After mixing everything together, I decide to start mixing the bread in the bread making machine. Guys, I found out that it will be watery, so I decided to add more bread mix to make it thick to my taste. Wow, our bread is already getting mixed, and now the bread is ready. Tata, let's see what we have. Oh my god, I literally made a white bread. See what I've got, guys. Oh my god, this bread rise so well. It's actually a very nice and yummy bread. Can your bread ever, guys? If you are still buying bread in 2025, you are wrong. This is the very first loaf of bread I'll be making with this machine, and it come out so nice. Though it's a bit still whitish, I might pop it back in to make it more, or give it that golden brown color. Okay, but trust me, this bread is already done. Guys, can you see that? The reason why it's like this is because, I guess, because I miss everything at the same time. I could have make it like 3 loaves, but it's okay. There's always a first time. Guys, guys, oh my god, is the smoke for me? Can you see the smoke coming out from this bread? I actually pop it back and it turned golden brown. It was almost burning at the bottom, but it's okay. Guys, I enjoyed this. You know, when you made something by yourself and you are eating it, this is what we call eating the fruit of my labor. Oh my god, I really enjoyed the bread. So it's time to experiment our bread slicing knife and bread slicing tray. Oh my god, can you see the way I place this? Oh my god, this bread is so fluffy. The reason why it's breaking like this is because it's still hot. Guys, oh my god, can you see this smell? I feel like an end has come to the era of buying bread. Now I have my bread making machine, bread making knife, and my bread slicing tray. Life just got easier and breakfast just got easier. Okay, guys, if you need the link to all these products, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Okay, I love it. Oh my god, this tastes so yummy. Bye bye to the era of buying bread. I love you. Thanks for watching.